Good morning, my children. Hope you all are doing fine and spending quality time with your loved ones. I am Nancy ma'am, and today we will be learning a new topic in English, that is it sentences. So kids, before starting our today's session, let's understand the meaning of it sentences.
It sentences.
It is a two-letter word and it tells us about different objects
And non-living things. While sentences mean a group of words which make a complete sense. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, what is this, children? It's a star. So the sentence would be,
It is a star. Can you see the capital I and the full stop at the end of the sentence? Yes. So, this is a sentence with complete sense.
Kids, now let's see different images and make sentences related to these images using it. It.
The first image is of a ball. So, what would be the sentence? It is a ball. B-A-L-L. Ball.
as you can see, the sentence starts with a capital I and ends with the full stop. So this is a complete sentence. The next image is of a hut. So the sentence would be, it is a hut. H-U-T. Hut. Then a full stop to complete the sentence. Next, it is a doll. So what would be the sentence? Capital I-T. It is a doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. And a full stop. Now, this is an image of an egg. And the word egg starts with alphabet E. You remember the vowel E? Who is the friend of vowel E? An. A-N. An. So the sentence would be, it is an egg. E-G-G. Egg. Can you see the vowel E is the friend of an. A-N. An. Next is a mango. So the sentence shall be, it is a mango. Here we will write a mango because alphabet M is not a friend of an.
So, children, when an object starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, we add an in a sentence because an is a friend of vowel.
Kids, I hope you understood the concept of it and how do we use it in the sentence. Always remember, a sentence starts with the capital alphabet and ends with a full stop. Let's practice writing some more sentences related to it.
Kids, now let's write few it sentences. Take your English notebook and a well-sharpened pencil. We will start with today's date. So, on the red margin line, 3.1.8.20. That is today's date. Then on the red margin line again 2 finger space, I capital, small T, it, then a one finger space. Sentences: S, E, N, T, E, N, C, E, S. It. Sentences. Kids, now before writing the sentences, we shall draw the images first. So take your scale and place it over here. Draw a straight standing line till the end of the page. We will be writing 5 sentences. So let's number them first. So on the first line, number 1, cross, 2, cross, 3, cross, 4, cross, 5. Let's draw the first image. So keep your pencils on the first red line and make a oval shape. Now 2 standing lines on the either side touching the red line. Join the 2 lines with a curve and a small curve again over here. This is our first image, mug. A cross on the second line. We will draw the second image. Make a curve from red line to red line and join it back again. It's an egg. Put a cross again. In the third image, we will draw 2 slanting lines like this. Join the slanting lines from bottom and from top as well. Now 2 slanting lines again in the middle and join them back. Make a small triangle like this. Image is of a bat. Put a cross again over here. In the fourth image, we will draw a circle, then a triangle on the top. Now 2 small circle and 1 more small circle in the middle and a smiley. Can you recognize what are we drawing? 2 C curve on the either side and 3 big curves like this. Just to decorate the cap, a C curve and a circle. This is a clown. Now a cross. In the fifth image, we will draw a C curve, then a reverse C curve joining the both, curve on the top and a leaf. This is an apple. So kids, I hope you have drawn all the images. Now let's start writing the sentences. This is an image of a mug. So the sentence would be I capital small t one finger space is small I s one finger space a one finger space mug m u g mug. At the end of the sentence, a full stop. Let's read the sentence. It is a mug. Now, the next sentence. It's an image of an egg. So, I capital small t one finger space is I s one finger space an a n one finger space egg e g g egg. Full stop at the end of the sentence. It is an egg. We have written an egg because alphabet E is an vowel. So, whenever an object name starts with an vowel, we add an. A-N, an. The next image is of a bat. So, the sentence would be I capital small t one finger space is I s one finger space a again a one finger space bat b a t bat. Don't forget to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Let's read. It is a bat. Next image is of a clown. So I capital small t I s is a one finger space clown c l o w n clown. Then a full stop at the end of the sentence. Let's read. It is a clown. Next sentence. The image is of an apple. So kids, what would be the sentence? An apple or a apple? An apple, because apple starts from A and it is a vowel. So the sentence would be I capital T is I S one finger space an A N again one finger space A P P L E and a full stop. Let's read the sentence. It is an apple.
I hope you enjoyed the session. Keep practicing writing it sentences. Take care. Bye bye.